Alright, so this is installed in 1017. So there's a water leak come from somewhere. There's a lot of telltale signs of leak. There's one right there, all along the bottom. But here's where the leak is coming from. Leak is coming from one of the bottom screws. There's the leak. There's the leak right there. I'm gonna wipe it clean with a paper towel. And watch it reappear. There it is. It's reappearing. It's coming from that. So now they leveled this. Looks like they used a bunch of things to level it. You can see how level it is because the water's flowing back to the wall. It's flowing back to that screw. So that's where we're at right now.